Take a ride in the 2016 Cadillac SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish, handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is too long to list. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, keyless entry, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, navigation system, power passenger seat, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.